Michelle joining us now with more on some rain that's headed our way for today, and that's the last thing we want around here. After, I guess the only thing worse than rain would be more snow, but the rain really will make that snow very heavy.
Very heavy, Patrick, and we may actually see a little bit of snow this morning as it initially moves in. In fact, I am tracking some snow over Connecticut. Now, it's initially running into dry air, so just check the latest observations out of Connecticut. There's one spot reporting some light snow. So what you see falling over Connecticut right now, not a major factor, but that's expected to change, and it's going to be running into cold air. Now, we expect that cold air to move out. Temperatures are expected to warm enough that we change over to plain rain by late morning or early afternoon everywhere. But again, we're going to have another mess on our hands with some wintry weather this morning and then that plain rain for this afternoon. As we widen out the view here on satellite and radar, you can see that system that we're tracking, warm front moving through. It'll push our temperatures into the 40s, but it does take a little bit of time to get there. As we look at the current temperature across the area right now, we're still in the teens and 20s. 24 in Groton, 20 Westerly, Newport's at 26, 19 New Bedford. Notice Nantucket's jumped up to 35, so there is some milder air that is going to be moving into our area today. So as we again look at the temperatures across the rest of New England this morning, we're coming in cold in New England, but 40 already in Pittsburgh. 38 New York. So this is the mild air that has to move in. Problem is sometimes it's difficult to get that mild air in when the cold air in place. So here's what we're looking at for your weather planner. 9 o'clock this morning, we're still close to the freezing mark, so still the potential for a wintry mix with rain and snow, sleet, freezing rain, changing over to plain rain, maybe some areas of fog. By lunchtime, we should be into plain rain everywhere, and that'll be continuing, and that concern shifts from slippery roads to maybe some street flooding because of all of the snow covering storm drains. Nowhere for that snow, or that rain rather, to go. And we should still be seeing some rain showers at 3 o'clock this afternoon with areas of fog. Again, watch the streets. It's going to be a difficult morning commute. Snow, sleet, and freezing rain arriving. Temperatures 25 to 35. Here's the Futurecast, and at 6 o'clock this morning showing the leading edge of precipitation moving in, with possibly a little bit of everything. So at 9 o'clock in the morning, temperatures still below freezing in our northern suburbs. And as you head into the central part of the state, very close to the freezing mark, while the temperature should be warming above freezing along the south coast. So even where you see green, which indicates the rain, it may be cold enough for a brief period of freezing rain. By lunchtime, we're up above freezing everywhere, and those temperatures climb up into the low and mid 40s for afternoon highs. By 7 in the evening, this is mostly over with, and those skies clear overnight. We're looking at a dry start for your Tuesday. Temperatures should stay above freezing overnight and then climbing in the afternoon on Tuesday into the low and mid 40s. So your 7-day Futurecast, I do have several chances for snow. Again, this one is mostly rain as we go throughout the daytime today. Tonight down to 34 degrees, and then those temperatures climb into the mid 40s tomorrow. So it's a nice melting day for your Tuesday. 8 o'clock in the evening, those temperatures back to about 38 degrees. A little colder on Wednesday, still above freezing at 39. Wednesday night into Thursday morning, we're watching for an ocean storm. It's a close call. Some of our computer models have it close enough to brush us with a period of snow late Wednesday night into early Thursday morning. Mostly, though, it looks like this will track offshore, so I'm not looking at a major disruption for us on Thursday. On Saturday, we're still watching maybe another ocean storm. Lots of questions about the track, even the development of that one. So we'll keep you up to date on it, but just want to put it out there that that is something that we'll be watching for the first half of the weekend.